Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. All these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I am super excited to show you guys all of these releases. We do have a reformat, we have a exclusive art, we also have a foil bundle, a sticker pack foil, another kit, and then also some doodles. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's first go through the doodles, and let me zoom you guys in. I am so excited. I think that next week is the last of the magical ones, and then I have over 100 sheets already ready to release for you guys of non-magical doodles, so definitely stay tuned. We do have some candy apples, and then some suitcases, some backpacks, a storybook, which is great for like reading, super cute little hats, some balloons, which I'm going to use to mark birthdays, pirate hats, castles, some cotton candy, and then also some cell phones, which are super cute. Then we'll move on into the foil. I only have one foil release since we have so many other releases going on. And this is a Father's Day quote because this week is kind of themed kind of Father's Day. And well, I'm re-releasing His Day, which I did give more Father's Day vibes in this reformat. And you have 4 super cute little quote boxes, and these will be available in all 4 foil colors. Super cute. We also have a sticker pack this week. This was a formal request from Jess, Kindness Jess, who did draw this art. She said that the dream art would look super cute for April, so I went ahead and whipped up a sticker pack. So all of these little flakes are on our glossy sticker paper, and then they come in this cello with a backer card that just has a design printed on it. So there are some of those, and then you have the lavender, the paintbrushes, the marker pen, the backpack, the stack of books, the little Daisy by Marc Jacobs perfume, and then some sketchbooks, the little paint palettes, the mask, the marble head figure, the paintbrushes in the little like vase, and then the potted flowers. And I think these are super cute, and again, it would be really, really pretty for April, or really anytime, May, August, March, whatever you're feeling. Then we do have a foil bundle for this week, and I'm obsessed with this foil color. So long story short, or maybe it will be a long story, I'm not sure. But basically, I planned the last 2 weeks off camera, and I wanted to use Our Song, and I was like, I had the kit out, and I like looked over and I saw this label sampler laying out, and I was like, I think that would look really cute with Our Song. And let me show you, this is the prettiest foil color, and I think it would match so many things. So whenever I got this foil in, I was like, oh, this is matte taupe, but no, it's like matte bronze. It's so pretty. Like, look at it with this kit. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna overlay a little clip of Kirsten holding the matte taupe, which maybe you guys have some of that at home, next to this, and it is like a matte bronze. It's so pretty. It's almost like a champagne, but it has that like kind of like warmer, like a brown color, but it's so pretty because it matches so many kits. Ugh, I just love it. And it is in the confetti format, and you do get the 6 full boxes, and then the glitter headers. You get 2 pages of those. There is the bougie box pages, the icons, and the script page, and then the bottom washi page. And I just think that spread turned out so cute. I think this would work with so many kits. Like, I'm honestly thinking about using it for, is it called Evermore? I think that'd be so pretty, but I just love this. And this is an add-on if you want to add on the label sampler. It just turned out so beautiful. I think that basically what I had left, hold on, I don't know if I have it. Let me see. I might have put it away. No, I didn't. What I had left in the foil bundle after I did a full spread, I didn't use any other foil. I can show you guys what I had left. So I had some icons and scripts left, a little bit left on that page, and then 2 bougie boxes, and then 3 full boxes and a little bit of headers. But I used the rest, and I just think it turned out so nice. It has the perfect amount of foil, and again, I love this color. It might be one of my top like 5 favorite foil colors now. I just think it's a good one, and it matches so much. I just love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm obsessed. And I think it would actually look really cute. We'll start with the new exclusive set, and I think this would look really pretty with it. Like, I don't know, it just goes with everything. Even like with the golds in here, I feel like it would look really good. It's just kind of like a really like nice like matte. It's a good like color. It's not too warm, not too cool. I love it. So let's go through this one first. This is a new exclusive art. I'm so excited about this. Y'all have been requesting Galaxy Edge inspired art for forever, and I knew I needed to do it. It's so pretty. Look at it. Jessica helped me with this a lot and kind of like figuring it all out, J. Crew plans, and I just think it turned out really, really nice. I don't know a ton about Star Wars, but Nick loves Star Wars. So you have like the little food, which the food in Galaxy's Edge is so good. You have the ears, and then these are like, I don't know what they're called, but they're like the little crystal-y looking things. And then you have the Kyber crystals, the boarding pass, the like Coke and Sprite and the cool bottles, the blue and green milk, these super cute like wooden statues. They have the cutest toys in Galaxy's Edge. You have the lightsabers, the droid parts, the dice, and I just love these girls. I think they're so cute, but like how pretty is this? Oh, I love it so much. And again, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else, and it's called Batu Bound. That's how you say it? I asked for like a phonetic and I totally forgot already. Love the colors to this, but like again, like this would be so pretty. You have a really cute flat lay that could be like for planning the trip, and an extra fashion option here as well. This has the deco. Again, I'm just obsessed with these colors. I think I'm going to use this possibly for Nick's birthday. I think Nick and Kirsten's birthday are on the same week again, but I think that'd be perfect for their birthday week, even though it's in December. And then this is the bottom washi, which again, I love the stripes. I think it's so nice. The freebie is an extra double box scene. It's funny because Jess actually was like, I know this looks so complicated, but look how pretty it turned out. She did so good. I mean, she always does. She's perfect. So you got an extra one, and I just think both scenes were so good that you needed them both in there. So you have the Millennial Falcon and then the Stormtroopers, and you can tell that I really tried to study up on this prior to releasing it. Then it also does come in a mini kit. There's so many extras for this kit, and also superhero, which is funny because like I know nothing really about Star Wars or superheroes, but there's so many extras for both of them. So then there's the mini kit version, which we have been able to keep the mini kits in stock. I'm so excited about that. That's been a goal. That and like getting really ahead on mysteries, which we have been able to do as well. Production has been rolling perfectly. So the mini kit has the same freebie. And let me go through the add-ons. So first you have the 15mm strip and then the label sampler. So your normal add-ons. And then there's also the fam add-ons. So this one has like a tall option, and then you have like a little, like I guess like a couple, and then also a like a guy up there. So super cute. And it says this is the way, and I think Jess said that that was Mandalorian. So cute. So these are in the like normal 1 through 6 fam options. But I just was like, we need all of the options for this kit because I think it turned out so cute. Then there's also a birthday add-on. So you have like a birthday cake with some blue milk and like the little candles I made to look kind of like lightsabers, a cake piece, and then some gifts. And then you have the like Mickey shaped balloons in all the colors. That was really fun to put together. And then I also did do a coordinating doodles sheet that has a lot of the magical doodles, not all of them, but a lot of them in the colors of the kit, which I think is cool if you're planning to use this for Disney, or if you just want to use magical doodles that week, you are covered. So in all of the different colors, I think they turned out really cute. Love that. So that is Batu Bound. I think that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong down below. I might be wrong. I don't know. So then let's go into the next one, which is, let's actually go through his day first. There's just so many extras this week in general. So this one here is our like Father's Day set for last year. So it does also come in a mini kit. I love this kit. I think it's so pretty. I love the colors, like just the vibes of this kit. So nice. So I did reformat the boxes. I've been doing so many reformats. Like this one's coming. You all have been really requesting this one. We have a lot. Oh, and then is the up one done? I don't think I have that one yet. So it's coming. So there's a lot. I'm excited. So there's the full boxes, and then you have the extra full boxes on the side. I went more Father's Day. The last year's one you could kind of use for whatever, but I noticed that most people picked up the Father's Day boxes, so just went ahead and added them in there. Love the colors through this. I just feel like it's a really nice kind of like, I don't know, I like teals and like the gray and the like navy together. I think it's a really pretty color combo. The freebie for both the mini and ultimate is the like dad in the other skin tone options. So you have those in there. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit, and then we do have some fam add-on options. Well, actually, I'll show you some last. So we do have some fam add-on options, and it's the normal, like I said, 1 through 6 options. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is the 15 millimeter strip, and then also the label sampler. So my friend Maddie had a great idea, and at first I was kind of like, I don't know how I'm gonna make this work, but then like I talked to Jess and I was like, how can we make this work? And all the ideas came together, and here we are. But Maddie had this great idea to come up with a Mother's Day add-on for the Father's Day kit for maybe mothers who aren't super into the like feminine florals, pinks, and purples, which I think is a great idea. And once I was able to like kind of like wrap my head around like all the pieces that I could put together to kind of make this work, this is what we came up with, and I think it turned out so cute. So this is another Mother's Day option then, so you can buy the kit and kind of sub out some of the boxes, like this one and this one probably, I would think. The rest of them I think work perfectly. And then there's 4 boxes here, so you have the mom like frame, best mom ever, happy Mother's Day, and then also just this kind of fashion option there as well, which I love that outfit. I think it's super cute with the jacket. Super cute, but that gives you guys like another Mother's Day option and kind of makes the kit totally work for either or, which I just love. I love a good dual purpose kit. Then let's go ahead and go into superhero, which again does come in a mini kit as well. And I think this turned out so good. Jess has been talking about doing a superhero kit for what seems like forever, and I was so excited whenever it finally came out. I love the navy in the background mixed with all of the like bright fun colors, and I just am obsessed with it. Again, just like Star Wars, I don't really know anything about superheroes, not super into it, but I know a ton of people are, and I tried my best to kind of like put everything together in a specific way to kind of like make it work. And I think it looks super, super cute. And I'm really, really excited to use this kit eventually. I don't know when I'm going to use it. Oh, wait. I'm going to use this for Father's Day, because with that superhero dad box, that'd be like perfect. So you have like lots of superhero stuff in here. I know it is like a mix of Marvel and DC, but she obviously wanted to cater to both. So you do have a fashion option here, which I did some really fun stuff with her hair and kind of just made it like have like an ombre with then like the money piece being blue. I just think that's super cute. And then this guy here has gray hair, and I just love everything. The extra full boxes are a switch out of the sweatshirt and then a switch out of the phone, because I loved both options, but I didn't know if you needed both in the set. And then also this one has like a purple plate just to kind of like break up the red. And then this one has a purple box to kind of like, you know, make that stand out a little bit more against that. And then this box here, I did take the Batman out of this one and put Batman and the s'mores on itself, just in case you wanted a little less of the Marvel in here. That kind of works a little bit more in there. So I tried to kind of like move everything around to kind of like separate it as much as possible, but still make it look kind of cohesive all together as one, which I think is nice. So that is the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate, and those are the full boxes. These are the add-on boxes here, which again are very neutral. So you just have a comic book, and then you have the planner flat lay. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty. They're brights, but they're not too bright, and I just think that they really work nicely together. I am imagining this. I'm gonna actually pull it out. I am imagining this with, it's in the shop still, with rainbow stars, rainbow glitter stars. Like, come on, you can't tell me that this would not be the most perfect pairing with this kit, with the stars. Like, come on, beautiful, with like some silver add-ons to pull in that Father's Day box, or just some silver add-ons in general, pull in some silver stars. I think that'd be epic, in my opinion. But also this would look really cool. Sparkly red, sparkly green, sparkly blue, sparkly purple. Plain old silver, sparkly hollow, you want to go crazy, or like a black, that'd be really cool as well. Whew, I'm just obsessed. I think the foil options are like endless, and I feel like you can make it your own with what foil you pick. So cute. Bottom washi, like I said, you do have that freebie in both the mini and the ultimate kit. Let me show you all the add-ons. So you do have the 15 millimeter strip, and then there's also the label sampler. There is also label sampler number 2, which has the black color that is on the sidebar, as well as a blue, which I think kind of comes in nicely there. So you have that if you want to add that on. There is fam 1 through 6. So you have the kiddos and the costumes down here, and then just kind of, you know, your regular fashion options up there as well. Super cute. I actually finished WandaVision last night. I cried for like 15 minutes. I thought it was adorable. Loved it. So this is super cute. And then I also did a birthday option for this as well. This one took me forever. So basically they're actually the same cake. I just decorated them differently. This one? Well, actually they're all the same cake. You want to check that out? That's kind of fun. Behind the scenes kind of vibes. They're all the same cake. This one, oh, actually this one I changed from Father's Day to Mother's Day. I don't think the Father's Day is actually in the Father's Day kit though. Hold on, it's really fun. Yeah. So Father's Day, changed it into Mother's Day, and then Mother's Day added the, is it the Death Star, I think? Not totally sure. Sorry if you can hear in the background. And then for this one, I went like full blast and added like the frosting, which is actually from the Her Day kit, and added the comic book on the plate, and then added the pattern. I think it looks so cute. Let me show you guys close up. Happy birthday, hero. Love that. I think it's so good. It's so cute. So I hope you like this week's releases. I was super excited about all of them. It's so funny because like I feel like, you know, I'm not even as excited for like things that I like actually like Disney things. Like I'm over here excited for superheroes and Star Wars, which when did you guys think that would happen? So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like it. It's honestly like such a good release. So fun. So exciting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys in my next video.